Okay. So it's a time to see to move to the further. So I hope students, last class we posted this and you have seen under one, date number two is there. In the Google Drive, second entry is there for the notes. Right? Don't search in the last. Okay. Fine. So linear algebra functions. Did you remember linear algebra functions? Right. Stand up. Those who talking in the mobile. Hmm. Once you come to the class, should fully concentrate on subject. Don't fold the hands. If you fold the hands, see, there is no internal marks here. Stand properly first. Stand like an Indian army first. It is like that. Wearing cap also. Doing all wrong activities. Tell me the linear algebra functions. Linear algebra functions, you tell me once. Hmm? Tell me fast. Who will tell linear algebra functions? Who will tell? Who will tell linear algebra functions? Come on, I am giving open choice for all of you. Don't know. Who will tell? Don't know. Linear algebra functions. All Munna by MBBS. Dot of, uh, dot of, inner of, outer of, data of, uh, solve of, INV of, inverse Modu, INV of, INV of, trace of. But when I say interview point of view, I never tell like that. NumPy dot of, NumPy dot inner of, NumPy dot outer of, NumPy dot lin ALG dot det of, NumPy dot lin ALG dot what solve of, NumPy dot lin ALG dot what INV of, NumPy dot trace of. Like that we need to tell. INV of inverse of మీకు ఏది వస్తే చెప్పడం కాదు. Try to change your style. Next time speaking in the phone, your phone you will be put it in the dustbin. Sit down. నిల్చోబెట్టాను బ్యాక్ సైడ్ రోజు లేట్ వస్తాడు ఆయన every day will come late. Stand back side. Now let us move to the further. So try to say voluntarily, right? So tomorrow you will not go, all of them will not go to the interview, right? Will you go all of them interview? They'll ask a common question, linear algebra functions. Will you say all of them like this? School this? No, no. You need to tell something like that. Now, girls, you tell me what are the matrix operations? Matrix operations. Functions for matrix operations. ఏం గుర్తులేదు అసలు ఇటు వినడం క్లాస్ ఏమో ఇటు మర్చిపోవడం యాడ్ ఆఫ్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ ఆఫ్ మల్టిప్లై ఆఫ్ మాట్మల్ ఆఫ్ డాట్ ఆఫ్ mod ఆఫ్ divide ఆఫ్ floor underscore divide ఆఫ్ mod ఆఫ్ ex power of these functions explained, but self killing skills are not there. Whenever I make you to remember, you are saying మతిమరుపు అంటారు దీన్ని. Actually it is supposed to come at the age of 80 years. Now you are having at 22 23 years only, you are having the same problem. If 30 years comes means you will not forget about, you will not remember by yourself. Come, next I will go to today continuation topic. I hope that you remembered in the last session. Sit down. Next time don't come late. Today the last working day for your late coming. Next time if I see you, that is the last. That is a holiday for you. Next, we'll go for next one. What are the next operation, students? Last class, what is the topic? Discrete events. Discrete differences we find. What are the next operation I said? If you remember it, GCD and LCM. NumPy, finding of what? GCD. GCD, GCD. This part I am going to take up. Also important. First two thing is important. First thing we find the GCD of two values, which is a straightforward, nothing special about it. We can do. Second one, finding the GCD of multiple values. This is second one I am very much interested to tell. Multiple values. For this, we use the function. What is the function name I will use? Variable name is equal to numpy dot GCD of value 1, and next is called what? Value 2. Next I'm going to take it. Variable name is equal to numpy dot GCD dot reduce of list of values I will take it. List of values I will take it. What are the list of values? I just want to go for it. So I will take it list of values. My second preference is to talk about this area. This is what people are very much interested to find out. This is very simple, straightforward. Shall we go to that now? Let's start here. For example, go to our place. Here I'm going to enter into the mechanism of this data. Go to the Jupyter notebook. Are you practicing daily these examples? And why you people are not remembering functions? Why you people are not remembering this? New. Here I will go to it. Finding GCD of two values. Import numpy as np. I will take two values here, students. Two values I will take it. Value 1 is equal to something like 9. Value 2 is equal to something like 6. For example, I will go for the result is equal to np dot GCD of value 1 comma value 2. You know GCD, how to find out? Even in our classroom, we used to discuss in the looping level this statement. This coding, we used to do it in our places. So how do you do this now? GCD, at least mathematics example, tell me. So value 1, value 2 you have written. So 9 of what? 6. 6. What is the 9 called? What is the 6 called? What is this is called? First to do the calculation. What is this? 6 1 just 6. What is the remainder? 3. What is this 3? Remainder. What is this is called? Quotient. What is the 9? Huh? Hmm? Dividend. What is the 6? Divisor. Okay. Is remainder 0? No. Since remainder is not 0, remainder will become what? Divisor. And the previous divisor will become what? Dividend. What is the previous divisor? 6. 6 will come here. What is the next? 3 3s are 3 2s are 6. What is the answer now? 0. Since the remainder is 0, the the present divisor will become what? GCD. So GCD of 9 comma 6 is going to be called as what? 3. 3. This is going to be like this, right? And one of the important point you try to remember, this is an answer will be coming something like that. Look at that. I'm going to write it. GCD of, I'm writing this value is equal to like this. Dot format of value 1 comma value 2 comma res. So you are going to get the answer called 3. So next, if I write like this, here it is going to be, of course, it is so simple for you to understand. What is this answer also? 6 and 9. Value 1 is 6, value 2 is what? 9. There is internally some swapping will be taking place. Swapping, automatical swapping will be taken place. Start. Earlier it was 9 and 6, straightforward calculation you have done. What one of the time of our student got it? Once all these universal functions in the interview panel, they asked in NumPy completely this universal functions they asked about it. This case particularly how it is done. Mathematically, you need to explain. What is the value 1? Here I said value 1 and value 2. What is this now? 6. Start. 6 of what? 9. What is this now? 9 0. What is this becomes? 6. 6 is called what? Remainder. Remainder will become divisor. Previous divisor will become dividend. Now it is interchanging now. Now from here the process will start. What is this now? 6. What is this now? 3. 3 will become divisor. Previous divisor will become what? Right. This is going to be called again 2. What is this? So 0. This 3 will become what? Come on. GCD. Same output will be coming. Is it clear? Right. So there is no, there is no difficulty for you people. Now the difficulty will be coming in the case of this one. This is what we are very much interested to introduce about it. And dear students, if you are my student already in my functions concept when it is completed in your place, there is one function I said called what? Reduce. There is one function I was explained reduce. Did you remember that? Reduce. I'll show you that in the functions concept, in the special functions, this concept will come. What is that concept name? Filter will come. Next, a map function will be coming. Next is called what? Reduce function will be coming. Reduce. This is the function, that logic we will use today, right? So let me go to the example part once about the reduce. So what is the significance of reduce for 2 minutes? I'll tell for other batch students so that they can understand at least. To go to this place, I'll prepare the example. Before that, I would like to show you the meaning of reduce, how significantly it is working. Just look at. Here I'm going to write it. Say something like this. LST is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. All of you listen, ma. So this is my data of LST. How do you find the sum of all these values? By using predefined function sum of LST. So the sum function internally uses what? Reduce function. Reduce function always gives you group of elements into a single result. That is called reduce. So internally the sum function uses reduce function. So group of iterable values are coming to the single element. Similarly, max of LST also group of elements are bringing into single element 50. Group of elements are bringing into single element. It is the min. It is going to be 10. So max of LST, max of min of sum of and then what? Join of is also there one function. These are all going to use this which function internally? Reduce function. So if you come back to my existing places, students, if you come back to my existing places, those who are already completed Python in my sessions, already in the sessions, there is a special functions concept is available. Special functions, filter examples. These are all I posted to you already. Filter functions, map examples, reduce function examples. These are all I am going to I already explained it. So there I said internal diagram of what? Internal flow of what? Reduce function. Reduce function belongs to the module called FUNC tools. FUNC tools. This is my explanation in my regular Python classes. What is an internal flow also I was explained it. All of a sudden a new student who is available from other place may not be getting it. For them to understand in my session, I'll go to this place. Diagram I will open it. This diagram they will catch me quickly. Start. Before going to the explanation, what is my diagram, students? Consider the following list of elements and find their sum. These are my list of elements, students. LST is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Take these values, take these values as what? Boxes you take it. Take these values as in the boxes. What you will do? Reduce function. First it will supply how many values? Two values. Put it into two variables. Take your own variables, whatever you like it. If you want, I can take like this. LST is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You take like this. All of you. This is my value 10. This is my value 20. This is my value 30. This is my value 40. And again one more value called 50. What reduce function will do first? The reduce function will take two values. Keep that elements into K and keep that element into V. Any two variables. I'm taking my name related variables. Reduce function first step takes two elements. And what is your logic here? Adding. Adding. What is the result is coming? 30. Keep the 30, the result into first variable only. What is the first variable? K. Next. To do the next addition, next succeeding element is what? 30. 30. The 30 will be kept into the second variable. What is my second variable? V. Again do the process. What is that operation? Plus. What is the result now? 60. Keep the 60 into which variable? First variable. K. What is the next succeeding element? 40. Keep it into where? V. Next do the operation called what? Plus. What is the result is coming? 100. 100. 100 kept into where? First variable. What is the next succeeding element? Muddu. 50. 50 kept in where? V. And do the addition again. What is the addition now? Come on. 150. 150. Do you have put it in where? First variable. Do you have any more variable here? No. Return the value called what? 150. This is an internal flow of what? Reduce. Are you getting me? Right? Suppose students, I want to go for keeping these values like this. Which value I want to go for it? Something like 10, 2, I will go for 30, 40, and then 5 like this. I want to find the maximum value from this. Maximum value from this. Same process. Reduce function, I will use it. First, how many values I am having? Come on. 10. Next is called a 2. Next is called a 30. Next 4. And next 5. Start. I will use reduce function will select what? Two elements. What are the two elements kept into K and V? Finding the biggest among these two by using ternary operator. Do you know ternary operator in Python? Yes. What is that variable name is equal to expression 1 if test condition else expression 2. Okay. So K greater than V is 10 greater than 2. చెప్పండి తొందరగా. True. True means keep the result in, what is the result? 10. Keep the result into where? First variable only. What is the first variable? K. What is the next succeeding element? 30. 30 kept in where? V. Again apply the same process. Is 10 greater than 30? False. False means which is the bigger one? 30 keep it in which variable? First variable. First variable called what? K. What is the next succeeding element? 4. Stored in where? V. Apply the same process. Is it true? Keep true or false? True. True. False true. False true అంటే ఇంకా మైండ్ సెట్ బాగోలేదు. ఒక దగ్గర ఒకటి హాస్పిటల్ ఉంటుంది. సో 30 greater than 4. True. True means what is the result? 30. 30 is going to be kept in where? First variable only, K. Then again it is going to be next value, consecutive element, succeeded element will be kept in where? V. Again apply the same process. Is K greater than V? Yes, true. Keep the true value in this place 30 and into variable called K. Do you have next succeeding element? No. Return the value called what? 30. This is the flow for what? Reduce. So actually this I was explained already in the Python level only. So if we come to my Python environment, sum I am writing it. So reduce function belongs to which module in Python? FUNC tools. Import FUNC tools, FUNC tools as FC. Now I'm writing directly. Something like RES is equal to which calculation I want to do? Sum. By using which function? Reduce. FUNC tools, FUNC tools, that is FC dot, what is this? Reduce of, I will write function name. Syntax is what? Function name, FUNC name, comma what? Iterable object. Iterable object. The function name can be normal function or the function name can be a lambda function. Lambda function I will define. Lambda, lambda, k comma v, k plus v, k plus v, comma what? LST, LST. That's all. What are the first two values of LST? 10, 20, 10, 20. Stored in where? K and V. Add the K and V value 60. 60 kept in where? K. K. Lambda functions generally I used to explain in the functions concept. Functions concept. Keep the result into where? K. What is the next succeeding value? 30. 30 keep it in where? V. What was the value of K? 30. 30 plus 30. How much? 60 kept in where? K. What is the next succeeding element? 40. What is the value of K plus V? 100. 100 kept in where? K. What is the next succeeding element of V? 50. What is the value of K? 100 plus what? 50. How much? 150 kept in where? K. Do you have next succeeding element in LST? No. That K value will be going to be left side variable called RES. That is called RES. So print of what? RES. So it is going to give the result called 150. Whatever the sum was coming, the same result is coming here also. Got it? That is the beauty of what? Reduce. Next, if you go to max value is equal to last and final. FC dot, FC dot, come on, what is this? FC dot reduce of, I will write it, lambda, lambda, x comma y, colon, x, if x greater than y, else y, comma, LST. Beautiful. Start. What are the values? First two values of this LST? 10, 20. Or if you take it, instead of this taking, you can take it directly 10, comma 2, comma 20, comma 3, comma 30, comma 15. You can take like this. Start. First two values are going to send to whom? X and Y. Careful. X and Y. Go to where? If 10 greater than 2, true. True means what? It will take X value. Kept in where? X only. What is the succeeding element of list? 20. 20 kept in where? Y. Start. What is the value of X? 10. Greater than 20. False means going to where? Y. Y value keeping in where? X. X is going to contain what? Come on. 20. What is the next succeeding element? 3 kept in where? Y. Come on. What is this answer now? Come on. 20. True na false తర్వాత 20 greater than 3. True. What is the value? X. X value how much? 20. 20 kept in where? X. What is the next succeeding element? 30 kept in where? Y. What is the value of X greater than Y? 20 greater than 30. False. False means come to where? Y. What is the value of Y? 30 kept in where? X. Beautiful. What is the next value? 15. 15 kept in where? Y. What is the value of X already? 30. 30 greater than 15. తీసుకుపోయి బయట అండి ఆ స్క్రాప్ అంతా మున్సిపాలిటీ వ్యాన్ వస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు 10 o'clock 11 ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది 11:30 ఏమి రాదు అసలు 30 గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 15 లేపాయని లేపు ఒకసారి స్టాండప్ లే కూర్చోప్పు మళ్ళీ సిన్సియారిటీ కూడా ఉంది మీ దగ్గర లేదండి అంటే లేస్తారు తప్పు చెప్పిన వాళ్ళు ఐ లైక్ ఇట్ సిన్సియారిటీ ఈజ్ ఓకే గుడ్ ఈజ్ ఓకే డిసిప్లిన్ ఈజ్ ఓకే బట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ రావాలి కదా You need to know subject. What is the value of x? 30. Do you have any succeeding elements? No. What is the value returning x? X will be put it in where? MV. This is the flow. This much cinema is there behind of which function? Reduce function. So I am writing max val is equal to what? MV. So the answer is called what? 30. This is the flow internally. What is happening? Reduce. Same to same process. Coming to where this place you come. I'm going to find out finding what? GCD of how many values? Multiple values. Multiple values. With that answer, multiple values which are present in which object? 1D array. Which array? 1D array. Okay. Start here. Import numpy. Import numpy as what? NP. Now I'm going to write it. So A is equal to np dot array of, I'm writing here 20 comma 8 comma 32 comma, I will write 36 comma and what 16 I am writing. For example, here I will take it as what? Na list of values. Now I want to find out what? GCD. So come on, GCD value is equal to np dot gcd dot reduce. GCD dot reduce of what I will write it? A I will write it. Same thing. You explain me how it is done. What is this reduce function is doing, It is having some new syntax. The reduce function will select what values? First two values, send to which function? GCD. Because this is having different syntax is using. We learned one level of syntax. That is more than enough to understand this. How many values will be sending? Two values. What are the two values? 20 and quickly do it. 20 and then 8. Start fast. 8. 8 2 the 16. What is this? 4. 8 2 8. What is this? So 20 and 8. What is the GCD? Very good. That 4 is available in which variable? First variable, X variable. Next succeeding element is what? Who will send? Come on. Reduce. Already GCD hold what value? 4. Come on. What is this? 4 and then what? 32. This was the previous result and this is the next succeeding element. Start. What is this? 4 of what? 32. What is this now? 0. 4. Sorry. 4 of what? 32. Now it is the process. Come on. What is this now? What is this? 0. What is the answer? 4. Out of these three numbers, what is the result? 4. Next reduce will supply which value? Good. Good. Now it is available what value? 36. Start. 4 and 36 now? 4 and 36. 4. And next is what? This is called what? 36. 0. 0. 4 of what? 36. 9. 36. 0. What is that? 4. Up to here, what is the result? 4. Next, what is the value coming? Good. Who will supply 16? Reduce. Beautiful. Come on. 4 of what? 16. 0. 0. 4. 16. 4. 16. 0. What is the answer? 4. 4. Do you have any succeeding element? Now, what is the GCD value? Right. So I'm writing GCD of is equal to format of a comma GCD value. GCD value. Are you following me? Right. Online students, I want to talk to them. Yes. Online students, are you there, ma? Are you following the students? Is this flow is clear about the GCD? All the students respond quickly. Right. Good. Online students are so fast, very powerful. Right. Good. Now let us. Is it clear? So if they ask you, explain how this is working, you have to explain. So I explained Python level, and this is automatically dead easy for you. That's why to learn anything, Python is a very important for you. Clear? So if they ask you about GCD, what is your answer? GCD can be getting in for two values, and you can also get it what? Multiple values. How they are working, I will send you one notes for you. Next, let us go to the, come on, fast. Next, yesterday some content I wrote it, LCM. Hmm? Right, LCM I will go for it. LCM I will go for it. Finding LCM. What is LCM? చెప్పాలని ఉంది కానీ చెప్పట్లేదు మీరు. Right. Now coming to finding LCM. What is LCM? ఏంటి మా LCM అంటే? What is LCM? Huh? Don't know. What is GCD? మీకు తెలుసు కానీ చెప్పట్లే. Right. Fine. BDM is saying least common factors are. Full forms if you say you are not correct student. GCD. GCD. Everybody, even small child also knows what is GCD. Full forms now. You need to tell what we are doing. Right? That you know, because of this answer, what you are finding, you are getting it. Now, anyhow, coming to the finding of what? LCM. So, same to same, how you are finding here, same to same, you are going to get what also? This answer. One, finding, speak out first of all. LCM, LCM, LCM. Of what? What is the function name? LCM of value 1 and value 2. LCM of what again here? Right. What is this now? LCM dot. LCM dot. So somebody may be asking you, this GCD also can be called as what? HCF also people can call. What is that? HCF. HCF of also some people will call. So if this is coming, either you can go for this or you can go for this. If you write, you can write your own logic also, but better to go for, if libraries are already present, better to use it. Shall we go directly now? Start off. Right. So I'm going to take up this value here. I'm going to take up the same thing, finding LCM of these values. Here I'm going to take it, go to this location now. Here I'm going to take up finding the LCM of this now of two values. So I'm going to take the LCM of two values I'm taking. How do you find the LCM of two values? Take the same mechanism, carry this entire thing. LCM you try to write it. I think LCM calculation you know already, right? 9 and 6. And I'm going to take up what? LCM. Can you tell me the answer of it? What is the answer of it? స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళారా లేదా ఎప్పుడైనా? Went to school or not? What is the answer? Sure. Yes. So you already know in school days, maybe your teacher said like this. Start. 3, 3, 3 ja, 3, 2 ja. Next, 3, 1, 2. Next, so, and like this. Multiplying all these things or not? So what is the answer? Right. So you are going to get it as what? 18. Same to same. If we go to this now, two values you got it. Then similar manner, you need to go for finding this kind of thing also. So I will go to LCM of what? Multiple values in 1D array. I will apply here LCM. The main focus is on my quite interest of this code is how reduce will work out. LCM everybody knows. My main quite interest in this case is about what? How reduce will work out. Hmm. First, what is an answer? You don't worry. What is an answer? You don't worry. You, if you calculate, you will get the answer. First, I need to go for what? Flow, you tell me. First, what is the value coming? 20 and 8. 20 and 8. First time it will send two values. To whom? LCM. It will calculate the LCM of it. Okay now? What is an LCM? Some value will come. Some value will come. Next after that, what will go? That two numbers LCM plus 32 LCM will find. Plus, after getting these three things, one result, and next will pass what? 36. After this four numbers LCM is over, last one is what? 16 will send. Finally, we'll get one LCM or not. So, will you calculate that? So, now go to that. What is the answer here? 1440. 1440. I hope after going to home, if you calculate, you will get the exact answer, something like this. Okay, now, shall I move forward? Yes, online students, is it clear about it? Is it clear about this? Now, if you want, I will calculate it. I think you will do it. Right. Next, I will go to the, this is about NumPy related finding. What is that? GCD or HCF and what? LCM. LCM. This I will post to you. Next, I will go to the next. I will go to the set operations. Important. Set operations, I will take it. So what are the set operations I want to enter into that? So NumPy set operations, set operations. So already we have a lot of discussion about the set operations in my class. Out of those set operations, if you look at the NumPy, it will be dead easy for you. Can you tell some set operations functions? Set operations functions, if you go, almost I said many more things for you. Help of what? Set. Here, class set. Now, this is going to be, here it is going to be available here. Almost so many things, add, clear, copy, difference underscore update, discard, intersection underscore update, is disjoint, is subset, is superset, pop, remove, symmetric difference underscore update, union, update. Everything I was explained. Explained or not explained? Explained. Even in the notes also posted. Students, try to listen all of you. So Jyoti, sir, can you explain reduce function once again? See, if I started doing that, it's a never-ending story. Out of 328 students, 327 students, one student or the other student will get a problem. If I start explaining again and again, I cannot move even further. So it is just like an RTC bus in our villages. So it is not possible to explain again and again. Basically, I explained Python level, code also in the Python command prompt. Very systematically, I used to explain. Try to understand, try to get quickly in the classroom. If you ask that like that, I may not be explaining again. Let us coming to the NumPy, which operations? Set operations. NumPy set operations. Out of that many, here what are the NumPy universal functions contains? NumPy universal functions contain something like this. Go to the place. Here I am going to get it in this place. I will go to import, import NumPy. What I'm going to apply as NP. Here I want to get it. A is equal to NP dot array of. Now I'm going to take it 10, 20, some 15 and 25 and then 30 and then some 16. Like that I am having. Next I'm going to get it. B is equal to NP dot array of. I'm going to write it some more thing. 10, 15, some 25, 18, and then 19, and then 30. Like that I am having. Like that I am having. Somebody is asking, find the unique values in both of them. Find the unique values in both of them. Even in our list case, if you see, I said this example there. List 1 contains some values. List 2 contains some more values. Find the unique values in both the lists. It is one written test question. Even in S also, S1 contains some string data, S2 contains some more string data. I said to you what? Convert this S1 and S2 into which type? Set type. Convert both the list into which type? Set type. And apply which function? Apply which function? Union function. Did you remember? Union. It will take the set properties what? Taking which elements? Unique elements. Here, directly they are not giving set operation. They are not giving set operation. They are going to give us the function name called what? Unique. What is the first function name? Unique. Spell out. Unique. Unique is a function which is going to contain numpy dot unique of what is this? ARR 1D array, 1D array, 1D array, 1, that is ND array. Instead of that, ND array 1, comma, I will go to ND array 2. Like that, I can write many more. First, I will talk about what? This example I will take. It will give you what? Result is going to come. This is a variable name. I will write it. Students, very carefully observe it. Variable name instead of one thing. Because why I am writing only one thing? It will select what? One ND array may be containing duplicates now. ND array can contain multiple values, either same type, different type, all the types, uniques and duplicates. But the question is, ND array 2, 3, 4, like that I can write any more elements. Any more elements. What it will select? Unique elements from these places. So let us apply this kind of things here. So I'm going to write it. If you want, one more example I can write in the beginning. Like this, I can write it. ND array 1, you can post it like that. You can post it like that. Let us move to the further. First one thing I will take it. So here I will take it also 10, 20. I'm going to take it. How do you do? Unique elements is equal to, come on, np dot unique of A. So unique of A. So I'm going to write it given ND array elements, ND array elements of what I will say print of A. Next I'm going to get it which elements now? Unique elements. That means it will give you only unique elements. So I will take it unique elements. Also which type? Given ND array, given ND array with which elements? Unique elements. Unique elements. Unique elements. So I will take it something like this. What will be this? UE. Type of what? UE. So try to observe it. So you are going to get it. Print. Okay. Spelling mistakes and చూసుకుంటే subject అర్థం చేసుకోండి. So these are all called what? Like this. What is this? 10 is coming how many times? One time. 20 also two times is available. 20 also coming only one time. And all these things are going to come what? Only one time. So if you want to get it any unique elements from the given ND array, straightforward you need to apply which function? Unique of function we need to apply. Are you following me? Right. Can I ask one question here? Now, can I convert set object into ND array? Can I convert ND array object into ND array? Hmm? Not possible. Possible or not possible? Girls, మనకి ఏం రాదు అసలు. వస్తున్నాం అట్లా. Can I convert set into ND array? Yes, you can. You can. But whose dimension is what? 0. Whose shape is empty? I already said very particularly that point. Can I convert a dict into ND array? Yes. Yes. I can say whose dim is what? 0. And whose shape is what? Like this. Because both of them are not permitting what? Indexes. I said very particularly this. This is one of the certification question also I said. I can convert set and dict into ND array, but whose dimension is 0, whose shape is empty. Okay. Remember that. Refresh the notes of you regularly. Is it clear? Right. Last and final. I'm going to take up. Here I'm going to write it. I will go for writing the same elements multiple times. 10, 10, 10 like this. 20. I will take 20 also multiple times. 20, 20. If you want to get any unique elements, then go for unique elements also like this. They follow? Without this unique function also, you can write the code for unique also. You can write the code for unique. By using what? Membership operator, you can do it. So if you want to do it, you just observe it here. I'm just writing it. ND array elements. Given ND array elements, same small code I will write it. In this place I will write it. UE is equal to one empty array I will take. An empty array, one empty list I am taking. What you will do? For value in A, for value in A, if value not in UE, value not in UE, I will say UE dot append of well, append of well. That's all. That's all. After coming out of that, I can write it array UE. ND array UE is equal to NP dot array of UE. I can write it. Given ND array elements with this unique elements AUE. So I will get the same answer. This logic is for what? Unique elements, how to get it. Very, very important. This code itself is going to be called which functionality? Unique. This functionality is called what? Unique. This example I used to tell in our beginning loops concept only. Loops concept only. Example, if you look at another serious example, this is also Mississippi. Mississippi. Eliminate what values? Duplicates. You can do many ways. Number one, by using set. Number one, by using set. Number two, by using your own logic. Number two, by using this NumPy. ND array also you can use it. These many ways. And once you learn these many things, once you go to an interview, multiple answers you need to give it. So if you want to get unique elements is equal to something like that. For CH in S, I said if CH not in UE and UE dot append of what CH. So that's all. You come out of it, print of what UE and all these things. UE dot, you can write it. S is equal to or unique element some E is equal to some space. E is equal to E dot join of what UE and print of E. Print of E. Is it coming under like this or not? Yes. And this is a logic. This is called a flow control statements. That's why students should be trained in two ways. One is smart in writing the code by using libraries. This is your asset to get the job. One more is intelligence is required to write the code. That means you have to remember all our logic development. These two, if you have now, wherever you go, there is a job for you. If these two things are not there, today explaining, today evening forgetting, every day mind fresh, if you come to the class, you will be getting a problem always. So, coming to the point back, so Krishna is saying some question. Krishna is saying some question. What is the Krishna answer? Ah, so, coming to this place, abracadabra, that is. So, this is the one you take it and carry our code, carry our code, take this here, write that code, whatever we have written it, get it. Now, already you got it. Directly I'm writing join of what? UE, you are getting like this. Are you following this? Like this, you got it. Simple. Anything is given, you can use it. So, Rutuja, you can do it, ma. I already said in the beginning only. You can use set also. S1 is equal to set of what? S1 also, S also you can say. But what is the problem with the set? You may not be getting in the same order of what you are using. Join of what? S1. Join of S1. So you are going to get it what? DBAKR. Whatever order, A is unique, other A's are not coming, B is coming here, other B's are not coming, R is coming, other R's are not coming, A, K is a unique and D is the unique. Other things are not coming, but this is not maintaining the order. Okay now? Right. Of course, if you want to maintain the order, if you want in sorted order, again I will go for what? Applying sorted function. There's so many ways and means are there when you read our notes. Come to back. Come to back. This is ND array object 1, ND array object 2. Next, this is one unique operation, student. Like that, you can apply on what? Multiple operations you can do. Next, I will go to one more kind of things. Go to, next I'm going to use it. Two ND array objects I will use it. This is for finding which elements? Which elements? Unique elements. So, you can heading Rasan. Finding unique elements, unique elements from ND array. ND array. This is one thing. Okay. So, got it. So, perfect. Now I'm going to enter into finding finding union of union of two ND array objects. Two ND array objects. How to find the union of two ND array objects? How to find the union of two sets? Which function? Come on, already over. Union of intersection, intersection of. Here I am going to take it. One array you take it. A is equal to np dot array of, take the elements 10, 20, 30, 40. You take it like that. Now you go for b is equal to b is equal to 10, 20, 25, and you take it as 25, and you take it as something like 45. Now I want to find out union of these two. How do you find the union of these two? Earlier, the union function generally applicable on sets. Now I'm going to. What was the question comes earlier also? L1 is equal to some list of values. L2 is equal to some more list of values. What the question is coming in interviews and all? Find the unique elements from both list 1 and list 2. How do you find the list 1 and list 2? Convert that L1 into which type? L1. Convert the L2 into what? ND array objects. And apply what? This is the list data only. Converted into what? ND array. Now I'm going to take it. Union, union 1D, union ND is equal to NP dot. There is a function name called what, you know, students? Union 1D. What is the function name? Union 1D, not union of. Union 1D of. What is that? A comma B. A comma B. By using function name called what? Union 1D of. Union 1D of. Print the data. Print the data. So first ND array object. First ND array object. Print of A. Next second ND array object. Second ND array object B here. Next I will go to what? Come on. Union of first and second ND array objects. Second ND array objects. That is called what? C, which is also called what? ND array object only. Okay, union of 1D. That is UNI ND. UNI ND. So here also UNI ND. So execute. So you are going to get it what? 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 25, 30, 45. 10, 20, which is a common elements, one time only. 25 and then 45. 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Extra what is coming? 25 and 45. Are you following me? So suppose somebody is asking, I want to sort this data. Will you sort this data? You can sort by using which function? Sort of. You can apply. Already sort function. Did you remember sort function syntaxes? What are the first sort function syntaxes? NumPy dot sort of ND array. Next, np dot sort of 2D 2D array. Access is equal to 0. Access is equal to 1. Next, np dot sort of ND array object, comma, order. Mudu, order, order, order in nothing but what? In ND array, I will take name, age, height, something like a weight, like that I used to take. Use a D type, U7, int, float, like that I used to take. Order is equal to what? Age. Age basis sorting. Age and height. For two people, age is same. What is considered secondary value will be considered. What is the secondary value? Height will be considered. Next, np dot sort of end array, comma, kind. What are the possible values of kind? Quick sort, heap sort, merge sort. What is the default kind? Quick sort. గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి అది నేను స్టార్ట్ వెన్ ఐ స్టార్ట్ యు ఆర్ రిమెంబరింగ్ దట్ టైం. కేవీఆర్ సార్ విల్ నాట్ కమ్ along with you when you go to interview. Will I come? No, no. You need to have self learning skills. Come to the point back. So next I will go to directly one more kind of thing. Is it clear? Similarly, I want to go for this is called what? Unique. So variable name is equal to one more function called numpy dot union of 1D of what? ND array 1, ND array 1, ND array 2, ND array 2. We found that values. You can write many more ND arrays also. You can write ND array 1, ND array 2, ND array 3, any number of things you can write it. So I'll go to next one. Variable name is equal to what I want to find out. I want to find out the common value. Common value I want to find out, right? Common value. Union of two things I found. What is the next? Intersection of I want to find. Intersection. Intersection gives you what elements? Common elements. Even I did one type of list of cricket players, list of tennis players, Venn diagram, bitwise operators. Come on. I already said bitwise operator, symmetric difference, XOR, how it is useful, bitwise OR operator, bitwise AND operator, all those things I was explained it. So by using what function? Which function? Intersect. What is the function name? Intersect 1D. Intersection, no. Intersect 1D. So I will go to this AB, same thing. I will write what here, intersect 1D. So I will go to intersect 1D of AB. First array, second array, that is intersection of what? First and second array of that. So I will go to INT. So INT ND. So here also INT ND, INT ND. Here also INT ND. So see the what is an answer? Come on. So 10 20, 10 20. If they are completely not there, completely there are no more common elements. What is this now? This is called 1. This is called 2. What is the value there that time? It is going to be called what? Empty ND array. Empty ND array will be coming. Empty ND array will come. Whose number of elements are 0. So it is a very, very important. So maybe they are asking S1 is equal to what? Radar, RADAR. Next is they are asking S2 is equal to what? Rainbow, rainbow. Like this, they may ask you. Get the common elements. Get the common elements. What you will do? If you go to Python level, convert this data into what? Set. Convert into set. Convert into set. Apply what? Dot union of you will apply. This is in which case? Python level. If we come to which level? NumPy level. You convert this data into which type? Which type? List type. List type. List type means separate values will come or not. That list you converted into what? ND array 1. Next converted into what? ND array 2. Apply which one? Intersect. Apply intersect. Like that you can use it. Are you following? So I hope you will do it. Already this example we did in this set operations. Now go to this is about the intersect operation. Now I want to go for one more kind of thing. So next one I am interested in this way, students. I am interested in this way. First one is I will write after 2 minutes of what I'm going to find. This is my data. This is the 10. Here I am writing 20 only. I want to find unique elements in first array. I want to find the unique elements in first array compared to what? Second array. That means I want to eliminate the common elements from both of them, take the remaining elements from first array. That is exclusive elements of first array. Exclusive elements means only the elements present in first ND array, not the common elements. It is as good as similar to difference. Difference, same as difference. How do you find? In our sets, S1 is equal to what? 10, 20, 30, 40, 30, 40. S2 is equal to what? 10, 20, 45 and then 55. How we found? S3 is equal to S1 dot difference of S2. What the difference of function will do? It remove the common elements from both of them. Take the remaining elements from S1. Since it is the first one, keep the exclusive elements of S1 in where? S3. Which elements? 30, 40 will be kept into S3. If I write a S2 dot difference of what? S1, what elements will come? 45 and 55 will be coming. If you want both of them, there is the XOR operation I will apply. Are you getting? So finding exclusively in unique elements in first array, first ND array. Finding exclusively, exclusively, exclusively in where? Exclusively in first ND array object. First ND array object. First ND array object with the second ND array. With the second ND array object. That is done by using what function? I am using set diff diff and what is that? 1D. Set the difference of 1D. So come on, here I will get it. First ND array, second ND array I will get it as it is, and I will go for what is this? A underscore difference. Exclusively ex underscore a is equal to, come on, np dot set diff 1d of what? A comma b. A comma b. So I will write it here. Print of ex underscore a underscore what? Difference. Difference. So see that what are the elements are coming? 30, 40. Are you following the calculation part? Same as similar to what? Sets. Set operations directly cannot apply on this ND array. ND array objects you want to go for exclusive set operations are available. So if you want, I can write it like this. What is that? Exclusive, exclusively finding exclusive elements in ND array, first ND array object. Here I will write it is equal to comma ex underscore a underscore what? Difference. So you will be getting this element 30, 40. If you want it, second one you want to get it. Elements in where? Second. Second. With what? First. First. So I will apply like this. Come on, first. B comma A. B comma A. So this I will write it B for your better understanding. So I'm going to write it. Second ND array. Second ND array. And this is called what? B. So I will go to what? What are the elements? 25 and 45. Getting me? So this is very important. Very important. So take care about this. Suppose there are no common elements at all in both the places. There are no common elements in both the places. What you will get it? Quickly. Empty. So I will write it 10, 20, 30, 40. Here also I'm going to get it what something like 30, 40. Once again I'm having. Once again I'm having. In this case, you will be getting what? Empty. No common elements. Come on. Yes. This place I will take it. This place also I will take it. In this case, if I take it 10, 20, 30, 40, here I am having 25 and 45. This is B kada? Yes. So something like 15 and then 40, something like 20. So also you will be getting what? Like this. Okay. Good. Last, having some small doubt on you. I am confirming whether you are able to. So I'm getting 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3. What is the answer now by seeing this now? What is the answer? Come on. Raj, last class when, sir? Last class, if Raj, tomorrow if you want last class, you take holidays and go somewhere. Prepare for New Year, okay? Last class when, sir? Tomorrow, if you feel last class, today, tomorrow itself you take holiday. Be ready for your New Year celebrations. Come on, answer. Answer is 1, 2, 3. Answer is 1, 2, 3. No common elements are there. That is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 will be the answer. Okay, now? Right. This is about which function? Which function? Set function name. Set diff 1D. 1D. That is the another set operation. Now I want to go for getting into one more kind of functionality I want. What is the next functionality I am expecting? Something like this. Next functionality. This is giving exclusively either element ND array A or ND array B. Exclusive elements in both. Exclusive elements in both first and what? Second array. First and second ND array objects. Right? This is the one. What is the meaning of it? For example, 10, 20, 30, here 12 and 13, here 10, 20, 30, here also 30, here I am having 14, here I am having 14 and then 15, like this. I want exclusive elements in both the places. That is what is the answer? 15, 14, 12, 13. That is the exclusively present in both of them, not common elements. That you need to find S1 delta S2. Already this was explained in our Python level itself, which is almost equal to what? S1 dot symmetric difference of S2, which is going to keep it into S3. And I said the formulas also. And లేపండి చెప్పు ఫార్ములా చెప్పు సార్ బ్లాక్ టీ షర్ట్ నువ్వే ఇంకెవరు స్టాండప్ ఫార్ములా చెప్పు నేను చెప్పేది వినాలి నువ్వు ఎక్కడో ఉంటే ఎక్కడ ఉన్నావు నువ్వు చెప్పు ఫార్ములా చెప్పు నేను చెప్తుంటే ఎక్కడెక్కడో చూస్తా ఉన్నావు పిల్ల మీద ఆన్సర్ ఏం రాదు మళ్ళీ ఎక్కడో ఉన్నావు నిల్చోపో బ్యాక్ సైడ్ ఆన్సర్ చెప్పు ఫస్ట్ ఆన్సర్ చెప్పేళ్ళు తెలుసా లేదా S1 delta S2 what is the answer symmetric difference what is the formula I said in our Python class 23 25 సంవత్సరాలు వచ్చినాయి నీకు ఏం చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నావు సిమెట్రిక్ చెప్పినా కదా ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ నేను చెప్పేసాను ఆల్రెడీ అది ఆల్రెడీ సెట్ దట్ ఐ ఆల్రెడీ సెట్ హియర్ S3 is equal to S1 dot symmetric underscore difference already set formula I'm asking నా పైథాన్ స్టూడెంటే కదా నువ్వు చెప్పు మరి మనకి ఏదో వచ్చు అనుకుంటే ఏం రాదు నన్ను అడుగు నీ గురించి ఎవరి గురించి నన్ను అడిగితే చెప్తాను నేను చెప్పు ఆన్సర్ చెప్పు చెప్పే జాగ్రత్త వినాలి మనకు రాదు మళ్ళా పోజింగ్ ఒకటి ఇది చెప్పాను నేను ఆల్రెడీ. ఐ సెడ్ దిస్, ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఫార్ములా. కన్ఫ్యూజా? కన్ఫ్యూజ్ ఏముంది అక్కడ? విను చెప్పేది, వెనక్కి వెళ్ళి నిల్చో, ఇక్కడ నిల్చో. S1 డెల్టా S2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు S1 యూనియన్ S2 మైనస్ S1 ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ S2. ఇది చెప్పాల్సింది నువ్వు. ఇంకొక ఫార్ములా కూడా చెప్పాను, గుర్తుంటే కదా నీకు. S1 మైనస్ S2 యూనియన్ ఆఫ్ S2 మైనస్ S1. ఇది తెలిసినోడిగా జాబ్ వస్తుంది, ఉత్తగా బుక్కులు తీసుకొని వస్తే రాదు. కీప్ ఇన్ మైండ్. నేను చెప్పేది జాగ్రత్త వినాలి నువ్వు. నువ్వు ఇటు 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 చూస్తే ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఉండదు. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద ఫార్ములా. నీకు బ్రహ్మాండంగా చెప్పాను నేను క్లాస్లో కూడా. సో go to your place. Here you are having data types. Set data type you take it. Predefined functions in set if I open it. Here you go to, చూడండి ఎన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ దిక్కులు చూస్తున్నావు ఇంకా. సో subset, symmetric difference, symmetric difference. Here you are having, here you are having formula 1. చూస్తేనే తెలిసిపోద్ది నీకు అసలు. ఫార్ములా 2 చూడు ఇక్కడ. ఫార్ములా 2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు difference of this one, union of this one, union of this, difference of what, intersection of this. ఇది స్ట్రైట్ ఫార్వర్డ్. దీనికి ఇంకొకటి కూడా చెప్పింటా నేను. ఇవన్నీ చూడకుండా ఎక్కడో దిక్కులు చూస్తూ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ ఊరుకోరు ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, అదర్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ విల్ నాట్ సే ఎనీథింగ్, బట్ ఐ విల్ స్క్వీజ్ యూ లైక్ ఎనీథింగ్ వెన్ యూ కమ్ టు మై క్లాస్. యూనియన్, ఇంటర్సెక్షన్, ప్రాబ్లమ్ స్టేట్మెంట్, డిఫరెన్స్, సిమెట్రిక్ డిఫరెన్స్, వెన్ డయాగ్రామ్స్, డోంట్ యూస్ సెట్ ఫంక్షన్స్. ఎవరు చెప్పరు మీకు. అదర్ బ్యాచ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అడిగితే చెప్తారు అసలు వాళ్ళ నోట్స్ ఈ నోట్స్కి ఏంటని. సో యూనియన్, యు సీ బిట్ వైజ్ ఆర్ ఆపరేటర్, బిట్ వైజ్ అండ్ ఆపరేటర్, అర్థమెటిక్ మైనస్ ఆపరేటర్, హియర్ బిట్ వైజ్ ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ ఆర్ ఆపరేటర్. Explained it. Symmetric difference. This is useful to you. Why I said this example to you? Today is useful to you. Today is useful. Come, here I am going to use. What is the function I am using today? What is the function? What is the function you need to use? Set. I am using XOR1D. XOR1D. What is XOR? Exclusive. Bitwise exclusive OR operator. దాన్ని మన కాలేజీ లాగా జార్ అని పలకూడదు మనలాగా. సో సెట్ XOR. XOR means which operator? Bitwise XOR. Bitwise XOR, how it works also is said to you. Right or not? So now I am using what? Come on. Exclusive underscore what? AB. Difference is equal to either AB or what? BA. Anything you can write it, no problem at all. Exclusive elements in both. Exclusive elements in both. What? First and what array? Second array ND objects is equal to exclusive AB underscore difference. So come on to the point back. Under this second ND array, what is the answer will come? Remaining the common elements, remove the common elements from both of them, take the exclusive elements of this one, exclusive elements of this one, keep it in where? This left side variable like this. Are you following that? So that is the answer is going to come. What is the answer is coming? Fun. Okay, ma. Set XOR1D. Set XOR1D. Okay. So are you getting or not? 12, 13, 14, 15. So 12, 13 here, 14, 15 here. So you can take it, this one like this. So like this. So here BA also you can write it. AB also you can write it. This is earlier BA. Now it is called what? You can take it. Same answer will come out around. Yes. Ra, కూర్చో. దా అటు సీట్కి వెళ్తావా? ఎక్కడో దగ్గర కూర్చో. వాళ్ళు ప్రశాంతంగా కూర్చున్నారు. నువ్వు ఊరికే వాళ్ళని ఎందుకు టెన్షన్ పెడితే అక్కడ కూర్చో. ఆ పక్క కూర్చో. అది బ్యాగ్ అక్కడ పెట్టుకోమను. దే యూస్ టు కమ్ విత్ పీస్ ఆఫ్ మైండ్ దే వాంట్. సో కూర్చో. సో come to the point back. Are you okay? Suppose if I have all the common elements are there. All the common elements are there. So here I will take it like this. I am having completely same common elements. What is the answer? Empty. Empty. Empty is going to come. Here I am going to get it. Empty. Very follow. ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతా చెప్తావా? So stand up. So now I am going to ask you the question. ఫీల్ అవ్వకండి. నేను క్వశ్చన్ అడిగినప్పుడు ఫీల్ అవ్వకండి. If you feel, that is a downfall. Downfall. Now answer my question. All of you silence. Chart window కూడా కొద్దిగా keep reading. Fold. Don't fold the hands. Don't fold the hands in front of everybody. Anybody. CM also call you. Don't fold. Why? You know Python. CM don't know Python coding na. Correct? Guido Van Rossum also calling you. Come. You don't fold the hands. Why? He wrote a unique function. You also write the logic for unique function. Same. Okay? Don't fold hands in front of anybody. Say. Hmm? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Or 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 30, or 1, 2, 3. Or only 1, 2, 3, or only 10, 20, 30. Or empty. Huh? 10, 20, 30. ఫస్ట్ 1, 2, 3 చెప్పావు. మళ్ళీ నేను ఆప్షన్ చెప్పేసరికి ఉన్నావు. 10, 20, 30 is an answer here. 1, 2, 3, 10. Okay. So online students, get clear about this set X bar here. Come on. It is more clear about it. Now, last and final students, one small attempt we will do. One small attempt we will do it here. Here I am going to apply small. I am just checking whether they are working or not of this one. So it is giving you what? Come on, 0. Nothing but what? Empty only. How it is working? 10, 10. 10, 10 is called what? Similar bits are what? 0. Different bits are what? 1. Like that. Already you know. This is called what you know. 21 you take it. This you take it as 22. You try to do this. You are going to get which values are here? 10. This is called what? 10, 10 is called what? 22 and what? 22. 22 and 21. 22 and 21. What is the answer is coming? What is the 22 binary? ఏం రాదు. Bin of what? 22. Bin of what next? 21. 21. What is the answer? You take it. I'll do 0, something like 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. What is the next? 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is called 22. This is called what? 21. Which operation I applied? Exclusive OR operator. 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. అక్కడ 1 అంటున్నాడు ఒక ఆయన. 1, 1, 1 అని. నేను అండ్ ఆపరేషన్కి వెళ్ళిపోయాడు. Lack of knowledge. This is what operation? Exclusive OR operation. What is the equivalent value? 3. Got it? Why we got 3? You got it? Why you got 3? You got it? Next 30, 30, 30, 30, 0. Are you okay? Right. This is completed now. This is just I applied bitwise exclusive OR operator. They may ask a question. What is the difference between these two? That time you need to able to answer it. Okay now? Right. So you got it. The conclusion called what? Set XOR. What is the answer? And just applied the bitwise exclusive OR operator. We got it. This is about which operations we got it now? Set operations. What are the functions available now? What are the functions available? Unique. Next is called what? This is set XOR 1D. These are the set related functions. Set related functions. Next, we go for next functionality is NumPy. NumPy. I will go to what? Summations. We will go for it. Summations. We will go for it. Next after that, I will go to. Next after that, I will go to NumPy what? Product. I will go for it. NumPy product. The people are asking last class for NumPy. They might be getting overlapped, I think so. So shall I make it today the end for NumPy? Can I start tomorrow pandas? No. Yes, sir. If I skip these topics, tomorrow if this coming in interview, you will nanu తిట్టుకుంటారు మీరు. I don't want that. Whatever question is coming, I promised in the day one only. Everything will come from my notes. So let me teach it the depth of it. Product of, product of. Under this, normal sum, cumulative sum, product, cumulative product on 1D and 2D. Next after that, I will go for what? Decimals, NumPy decimals. NumPy decimal values, I want to talk about it. NumPy decimal values, I want to talk about it. Next, I want to go for NumPy arithmetic operation. NumPy arithmetic, I want to talk about it. So if I skip off, I will just escape this. NumPy IO operations also there. NumPy with files. And let me give my total knowledge for you. So if you say, sir, when do you end the NumPy class means today I will end it. Can I end? No. Let me teach more deep of it. So these days teaching deep of it is very rare. And my class will make you too deep. Deep knowledge is nothing but rich in the life. So expect it more deep of it. Hmm? Remove those people. Krishna. Okay, remove those people, sir. So see, even those people ask me, sir, when is the NumPy class? I never end with a NumPy. Why? Suppose if I skip this topic, after I go to home, when I started sleeping, my heart will ask me, Mr. KVR, you did not explain these topics to students. You are not doing correct. Then I am not able to answer to my heart. That's why self-satisfaction is important. Okay. As a doctorate in computer science, I want to give you quality of education in the present world. That is what I am expecting from you. Learn more deep of it. That is my expectation. Even pandas also, more deeply I will explain. If you want only 1 day, 2 days, go to other batches or YouTube is there anyhow for you, the friend of you. You will learn from there. So this summation, tomorrow class I will explain. There is a function name called what? Add of. There is a function name called sum of. There is a function name called sum. What is the difference between add of, sum of, cumulative sum? What is the difference? You tell me. Here there is a function called what? Student, oh, sorry, 1 minute. PROD, PROD, multiply, multiply. Next is called what? Product with access, product with access. Next is called what? Cumulative product. If these questions are coming in front of you, what you will do? Come on. How many functions I taught so far? Combine Python and now. How many? Remembering? No. But when you go to an interview, if you remember all these things, can anybody can sit in front of you? No. Decimals, if you go, there is a function called what? Trunc. And the next is called fix. Next is called fix. Next is called what you know? Round. Next is called seal. Next is called seal. Next is called floor. Next is called floor. Already you know subtract. Already you know subtract. Already you know div, divide, divide. Already you know mod. These things you know. Extra what you are getting here, trunc. You are going to get truncate. You are going to get truncate will be here. Truncate will be here. Next, here you are going to get it absolute. Next, you are going to get div mod. Extra operation you are getting. Div mod. Coefficients will come. Modulus will come at a time. 2 minutes to skip the topic like others. Others skipping is a fashion. For me, teaching deep is a fashion for me. Understand? So, if you want to skip, you can skip this. If you want to deep, you come here. This is what I want to tell you. Okay. So, these things tomorrow I will explain cumulative summation and this addition and all those things, products and everything tomorrow class. I will go for it. Okay. Now, so are you practicing daily? So, practice and come to the classes. Thank you. Carry on. Online students, if you have any doubts, you hold on. I'll clarify your doubts.